Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I promote Clickbank products free, fast, and with no website, just YouTube. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you how you can do this without creating the videos yourself if you're afraid to do that. But if you can imagine being at work, out with your friends, your family, and you look down at your phone and you make commissions on Clickbank on work that you did one time. And that's exactly what I do. And I'm going to share with you how I do that. Now, I don't promote Clickbank products all that much, and I will be scaling it up this year with paid YouTube ads, but this is just with free YouTube marketing, and that's why I love it. Clickbank is free, YouTube is free. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't have an account, go to clickbank.com, create your own account for free, and make sure you get your payment set up correctly so that when you do earn commissions that you're going to get paid. And these are just some of my paychecks recently, and like I said, it's not a lot of money, but it's just something that I do on the side in addition to some other affiliate marketing that I do. But you can see like some of the checks are, let's see, last year was like 500, a couple this year 200. And that's the thing about Clickbank is they pay on time. I just get a check in the mail. So it's, a car payment, 2 car payments a month. So it's really good money that you can make. And again, I don't spend all that much time on it, but if you do this exclusively, you can make some really good money. So you want to go to Marketplace. We're going to pick a product, and if you, of course, there's all these categories over here that you can pick from, but if you just click on this right here, that'll show you the top Clickbank products in all of the Clickbank Marketplace. So the very first one, the most popular one right now is this one right here. And we're just going to scroll down. A lot of these are for health. And just in case you don't know, the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. So if you want to pick one of those, you're going to make some good money because you're going to be able to solve people's problems. And I want you to think of this. Don't think of, okay, I want to go out there and make tons of money, which is what you want to do, obviously, but if you can kind of change your mindset of, I'm going to go out and solve people's problems, because your product that you're going to promote is going to solve some problem for somebody. So if we scroll down, there's a woodworking one. We're actually going to go, I think it was on the second page here. Clickbank University is a good product to promote. Also, the 12-minute affiliate system is a really great product to promote. But I'm going to go to page 3. I think it's where I found this product. Yes, it's brain training for dogs. And so what we're going to do, you want to make sure when you pick a product that it has a good affiliate page, and also that the product is something of quality, because there's a lot of products in Clickbank that are not good at all. And I don't feel good about promoting something that's not of value, because people will just get refunds anyway, and they'll see that you want to promote something that's actually going to solve somebody's problem. So, and also you want the sales page to be good, because there's a lot of sales pages in Clickbank that are just totally hyped up and just not good at all. So I wanted to pick this one to go through it with you as an example, brain training for dogs, and I thought this was really interesting because a lot of people have dogs and they want to have these problems solved, that and this is a really good sales page here. And it just talks about all the problems that you can have with your dog. And then this video will show you about the training here on how you can solve these problems. So what you want to do is, after you pick your product, is figure out like what kind of keywords would people be searching for to find your product. And just open up like a WordPad and just brainstorm ideas. And then once you get these ideas, we're going to go over to YouTube and see if these are actually good keywords that people are already searching for. So with this particular product, I went ahead and did some already for you guys. Dog training, dog brain training, online dog training, how to dog training, dog training system, and then of course, obviously the most obvious keyword would be the product name plus review. So people, if they find the product, they're like, let me go search it and see if it's a good product before I actually spend my money on it. So this particular product, brain training for dogs, you would have that as your keyword, and then with review, brain training for dogs review. And I've made a lot of money with Clickbank product reviews, and I recommend that you buy the product and actually go through it and show people what they get in it, and then offer a bonus if they purchase from you. You wouldn't even have to do your own bonus. You could go to Fiverr and have somebody create bonuses for you on dog training, so you don't actually have to be an expert on it. You could have somebody else do it for you. So what you want to do after you come up with keywords is just take these and go over to YouTube. And I already plugged some of these in. Dog training system, you can see 170 searches a month. This this plugin or Google extension is called Keywords Everywhere. You can download, and then you can see the search volume for each particular keyword a month. So dog training, that's a pretty broad keyword, but that's 165,000 searches a month. But you can come over here, and once you type in dog training, then you get a bunch of other keywords that people are searching for. So you can, aggressive dog training, these may be not quite as competitive. So these are other keywords. Obedience training for dogs, that's another great keyword that you could come up with and add that to your list down here. But you can see brain training for dog, that's another good keyword. Someone has done this one here. They have a link in the description to this particular Clickbank product. So you can look at that one and see what they did there. This one here, brain training for dog reviews. This actually was really good. They put together, they didn't even do the video themselves. They probably went to like Fiverr or somewhere and had somebody create this video. But if you want to watch that, I think it's really good. Give you an idea of what you can do for your videos. So basically then what you want to do is, I would create a video a day around these keywords. And you're going to go to YouTube, see what other people have done. You don't want to copy them, but just listen to their videos, take notes, and create your own video that's maybe even better than that. Or you can go to just a plain Google search and see what kind of articles are out there and create videos around those articles, take notes, again, make it your own. I'm really good at taking information from a bunch of different sources and putting it together. And so that's what you're going to want to do. I would recommend creating a video a day, and then of course at the end of your video you're going to have a call to action to, if you want to learn more about how to train your dog effectively or whatever you want to say, click on the first link in the description below the video, and that will take people to this. Well, you have your affiliate link in there, which you get by, just in case you don't know, you would click on promote and generate hop links, and this would be the link, and you would want to use something like maybe bit.ly so you don't have this really long hop link here. And then when people go and purchase the product, then you earn the commissions, which I'm thinking that this one here, you know, there's 1,600 searches a month, and I think this one, they're promoting that, yes, they're promoting that product as well. I'm thinking they're probably making some good sales because that's a highly searched keyword. So just make a video around each one of these keywords. You'll use it in the title and the description and your tags. I'm not going to go over the SEO in this video, but there's a way that you can get your video to rank. And just be patient with it, because the more videos you get out there, the more you're going to start ranking. You know, you may not make sales right away, but I have videos out there that I've created months and months ago that I still earn commissions on, just on autopilot, because that video is out there helping solve people's problems. So also I wanted to explain to you, if you didn't want to do all this yourself, if you wanted to outsource the work, this is going to be the second link in the description. There's a free webinar that you can watch, but this is a affiliate product that I own. Andy Huffell, and he teaches you how to have passive affiliate channels where you do this exact thing where you outsource the work. He teaches you how to hire a scriptwriter, a voice actor, a slide maker, a thumbnail maker, and how to manage and grow your team, and also how to scale up, because if you're trying to do it all yourself, you want to do this full time, you're only going to be able to go to a certain income level because you only have so many hours. And then when you can outsource it, that's when you start to really grow. So I'll leave a link, and like I said, it'll be the second link in the description. And then also this video here, I'm going to leave in the description. Uploading others' videos, that's where you use Creative Commons videos, and I explain in detail how you would do that. But basically, you're using other people's videos that they give you permission to use, and that's only if it's in the Creative Commons, so if we go here, brain training for dog, and you click right here on this filter. Let's see if it'll open for me. It will show you the Creative Commons videos. Let's try it on this one here. There we go. See, if you come over here on the right hand side, right under features where it says Creative Commons, those are videos that you can use just as they have them, or what I would say, this is interesting, you can like splice them and just put a bunch together of different videos and make it unique, and then you can have a call to action and have your link to your Clickbank product here. So I will leave a link in the description to this video right here, because it's a great way that you can make videos where you can be really creative with it, but you don't actually have to be in the videos yourself. But that's where people know, like, and trust you. If you're doing a review on this product right here, you bought the product, you're going through the product, you're telling them exactly what they're getting with it, how it's going to help solve their problems, and then add a bonus to it, then people really like to see you on camera, and because they like to know that you're a real person and not just trying to sell them something. So I would recommend, if you can get on video, you can do like a screen capture like I do here with Camtasia. There's a lot of free screen capture software out there you could use. But that's what I would do. That's exactly what I do. And like I said, I don't do a lot of Clickbank product promotion, but what I have done, it absolutely works, and I make money consistently with it, and I will be scaling up into paid advertising on YouTube. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.